In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Word document like Google Docs. If you've ever wished you could take a regular Word file and make it easy to share, comment on, or edit together in real time, just like you do in Google Docs, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start with a Word document on your computer and end with a fully shareable online document that others can view, comment on, or edit depending on the access you choose. First, you need to upload your Word document to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in if you're not already. In the top left corner, click on New, then choose File Upload. A file window will pop up. Find your Word document on your computer, select it, and click Open. You'll see it start uploading, usually in the bottom right of the screen, and once it's done, it will appear in your Drive. Next, open that file in Google Docs. In Google Drive, locate the document you just uploaded. It will still have the Word icon at first. Double-click it to open, or right-click on it, hover over Open With, and choose Google Docs. Google will convert it into a Google Docs version, which will open in a new tab. This is the version you'll be sharing and collaborating on. Now that your document is open in Google Docs, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is where all the sharing options live. You have two main ways to share. If you want to share with specific people, type their email addresses into the box that says Add People and Groups. You can also include an optional message that explains what the document is about or what you need them to do. If you prefer to share it more broadly, you can change it so that anyone with the link can access it. Under the section called General Access, click the drop-down and switch it to Anyone with the link. This is useful for sharing in chats, on project tools, or anywhere you don't want to enter individual email addresses. Before you finalize sharing, set the right permissions. Next to each person's name, or next to General Access, use the drop-down to choose whether they're a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Viewers can only read, commenters can leave feedback without changing the text, and editors can fully edit the document. When everything looks good, click Send to email the people you added, or click Copy Link to copy the sharing link and paste it wherever you need. That's all you need to share a Word document, just like a Google Doc.